3 months ago, Lisa was drowning in bills until ChatGPT slashed them by $500. But how? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use AI to cut your bills right now, step by step. 0-30 setup. Who's Lisa and why do bills feel impossible? Meet Lisa, 34, Chicago, full-time nurse. 2 kids, regular life, except her monthly costs were out of control. $382 for cable. $129 cell phone. $200 utilities. $447 auto insurance. $90 subscriptions. Total $1,248, and she felt stuck. She tried cutting corners. Called companies, waited on hold, got nowhere, heard lines like, "Sorry, that's our best offer." But in January 2026, something changed. She saw a viral TikTok about AI
negotiating bills. She opened ChatGPT Plus for the first time. Typed, "Help me reduce my bills." Next 30 days, complete whirlwind, but it started rock. And the first surprise nearly made her quit in 200 rising action. The AI challenge Lisa got practical fast. She listed out every bill in Google Sheets. Then she pasted her bill history into ChatGPT. ChatGPT flagged 3 biggest issues: outdated cable bundle, phone plan fees, and insurance overcharges. It even spotted 2 streaming subscriptions she'd forgotten were active, one for $15, another for $10 per month. Lisa asked, step by step, how do I negotiate with company? ChatGPT spit out custom scripts for Comcast. "Hi, I noticed competitors are offering better rates. Can you review my plan? For Verizon, I'm a long-term customer. I'd like to lower my monthly payment. Can you help me find promotion?" Lisa nervously tried them, sometimes word for word. Result, on her first 2 calls, both reps said no. She almost stopped there, but then something unexpected happened. 400 complications. AI isn't magic, but persistence pays. Lisa tweaked the scripts. She pasted the chats back into ChatGPT. "How would you improve this?" ChatGPT refined her tone, flagged weak spots, and even suggested asking for a retention specialist. This time success. Comcast knocks $68 off her cable for new streamlined plan. Verizon on the third try caves $23 monthly discount and moved 2 add-ons to a new promo. But the best tool came next. ChatGPT suggested she run all her providers through the bill negotiation tool, Billshark, integrated with AI in 2026. Billshark's AI scanned her policies line by line, suggesting she switch auto insurance. ChatGPT compared top 3 quoted rates using new 2026 online aggregator, Lemonade, Progressive, State Farm. She switched, saving $99 a month. But a week later, the first wrench, her new lower cable rate triggered a hidden $45 install fee. Her phone plan discounts vanished after the first month. When she emailed for help, ChatGPT helped her craft an appeal letter using the exact policy wording from the company's website. 3 days later, fee reversed, discounts restored. Nothing automated. Lisa did it all step by step, but AI made her fearless. And then she found something most bill hackers ignore: 600 climax. The turning point. Lisa uses ChatGPT's reminders and Google Calendar integration. Every bill cycle, AI flags changes. New promos, price increases, unexpected fees. She sets quarterly reviews in Rocket Money 2026 edition tied to ChatGPT prompts. Each time she runs the negotiation script, switches or re-ups discounts, and keeps her rates low. By March 2026, total savings per month: cable $68, phone $23, auto insurance $99. Subscriptions canceled $25, waived fees $45, utility promo $49. That's $309 in savings, plus a $200 annual cashback check from her new insurance provider. ChatGPT even prompted her to apply. Cumulative, that's $500 plus monthly, all found with 4-6 hours upfront, then 30 minutes a month for maintenance. But the real surprise is coming. 700 resolution. What changed? What you can do now. Lisa's stress dropped. Credit card balance shrank. She automated bill audits with ChatGPT and saved $600 plus a year. What did she learn? 1. AI won't do it all for you, but ChatGPT gives you negotiation power and clarity when you actually use it. 2. It works best with persistence. Companies cave if you ask the right way at the right time more than once.
3. Set reminders. AI won't remember unless you tell it to. 4. Use multiple AI tools. ChatGPT for scripts and strategy, Billshark AI for direct negotiation, Rocket Money for tracking. 5. Don't stop at the first no. Lisa's third, 4th, even 5th tries often landed the savings. Anyone can do this. You won't win every time, but AI tips the odds, especially in 2026 when companies respond to data, not drama. If you want more step-by-step AI money hacks, hit subscribe. You just watch a real story, $500 monthly win powered by ChatGPT. If you like this, watch our next video, Best Passive Income Ideas with AI for 2026. See how to move from saving to earning with real example. Disclaimer, this is not financial advice. Use these tools at your own risk.